Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, in the previous video we have solved till question number 6. Now in today's video I am going to solve the linear equations and we have to check the result also in each case. It is already mentioned in the question, but the questions which I have solved in yesterday's video, in those questions I have not checked the result. Now how will you check the result? To check the result we just have to place the value of x in the equation, and if LHS is equals to RHS, then the equation is verified. That means that the value which we have find out of x is correct. So this is how we have to check the linear equations. I am checking one equation for you. For example, 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. So minus 5 is equals to will become plus 5 once it will go on the right hand side. Now x is equals to 5 upon 3, right? Now in place of x I have to write 5 upon 3 and rest of the equation will be the same, and then we have to check. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. So 0 is equals to 0. LHS is equals to RHS. Hence verified. This is how we have to check the equations. So in yesterday's work we have not checked the equations that whether it is verified or not. That means whether the value which we have found for x is verified or not. So I request all the students to check those questions today itself. Now I have to start from question number 7. I will solve it and then I will check it. Every option I will check, solve also, and then I will check also. So 7 is equals to 2x minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 5 minus x. This is the question, right? Now how will we solve this question? First of all, we have to collect all the like terms together. So 2x, this minus x will become plus x, and this minus 1 upon 3 will become plus 1 upon 3 once it will go on the right hand side. Okay, now 2x plus x is equals to 3x. Now we have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. What is the LCM of 3 and 5, students? The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Since both the numbers are co-prime numbers, so their product is their LCM. So now I have taken the LCM of 3 and 5. So 1 5 is a 5, and then 5 3 is a 15. Here it will be 3, not 5. Since it 5 3 is a 15. So 3 plus 5 upon 15. So 3x is equals to 8 upon 15. As you all can see that this 3 is in multiplication with x, right? So now to solve this, we have to divide both the sides of equation by 3, or either this 3 will go on the right hand side. This is 8 upon 15 and this is 3 is in multiplication with x. Once it will go on the right hand side, I am shifting it to the right hand side, it will be in divide. So I have already told you, when you want to divide two rational numbers, how do you divide? Now this is, I think some of the students will find it difficult that what ma'am has written, 8 upon 15 upon 3. So instead of writing like this, I will show you as the process of rational number. 8 upon 15 divided by 3. This is the way we have to write. Now to divide two rational numbers, what was the rule? If any of you remember that rule, kindly pause the video and comment down in the comment section that what was the rule. So the rule was to take the reciprocal of the second rational number and multiply it with the first one. So I am rubbing this much in order to follow that process. Okay. So now x is equals to 8 upon 15 multiplied by 1 upon 3. See, I have taken the reciprocal of 3. The reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3, and then I have multiplied it with the first rational number. Okay. Now 8 ones are 8 and 15 threes are 45. It cannot be simplified. So the value of x is 8 upon 45. Now we have to check that whether it will be verified or not with this value. So to verify it, how will we solve it? We will place the value of x in the equation and we have to check that whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. So let's begin without wasting time, students. So for that I have to write the equation once again. 2x minus 1 upon 3. 2 in place of x, it will be 8 upon 45 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 5 minus 8 upon 45, because it was 1 upon 5 minus x. Now we have to check that whether left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay. So 2 is in multiplication with 8 upon 45. So it will be 16 upon 45 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 5 minus 8 upon 45. Now what is the LCM of 5 and 45? Since 45 comes in the table of 5, the LCM of 5 and 45 will be 45 only. So to make it 45, 5 has to be multiplied by 9. So it will be 9 minus 8 upon 45. Now moving on to this, 45 is also divisible by 3. So by which number we are going to multiply 3 so that it become 45? So 16 minus 3 has to be multiplied by 15. So same goes with the numerator also. So 16 minus 15 upon 45. In both the cases what we have obtained? We have obtained 1 upon 45. So 1 upon 45 is equals to 1 upon 45. Hence verified. We can write like that. Hence verified. Okay, students. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 8. I am not doing this question since it is quite similar to question number 7. So you will be doing this question on your own. Now I am going to solve question number 9. So question number 9 is x upon 2 plus x upon 4. X upon 2 plus x upon 4 is equals to 1 upon 8. So both the terms are like terms. So we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? It is 4. So 2x plus x upon 4. Because it is already 4, so there is no need to multiply with any number. It will be 2x plus x upon 4 and 1 upon 8. Now here it will be 3x upon 4 is equals to 1 upon 8. Now it is very simple to find out the value of x. This 4 is in with division with x. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will be in multiplication. In the same way, this 3 is in multiplication with x. Once it will go on the right hand side, it will be in divide. So now 4 ones are 4 twos are 1 ones are 1, 2 threes are 6. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 1 upon 6. Now to verify that whether we have done it correct or not, how will we proceed, students? We have to place the value of x in the equation. So in place of x we have to take what? 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 into 2 plus 1 upon 6 into 4 is equals to 1 upon 8. Is this the question? Now 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24 is equals to 1 upon 8. 24 comes in the table of 12. So now we have to take the LCM, and the LCM of 12 and 24 is 24. So now to make it 24, 12 has to be multiplied by 2. So we have to do the same process with the numerator also. So 2 plus 1 upon 24 is equals to 1 upon 8. Now 2 plus 1 is what? It is 3. And once you will simplify 3 upon 24, 3 ones are 3 eights are. What it is? 1 upon 8. So we can say that LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. I hope you must have understood how I have done this question, students. Now in the same way, I am going to solve the next question, that is question number 10. I am not solving, I am leaving it for you, that is your homework. Now I am going to solve question number 11. Okay. So please pay attention, students. So question number 11 is 13 within bracket 11 y minus 4 minus 3 within bracket. Now as you all have studied, in the chapter algebraic expressions, 13 has to be multiplied by both the terms within the bracket. 13 fours are 52, minus 3y plus 3 nines are 27, because minus minus is plus. In the same way, 5y minus plus minus, so it will be 20 is equals to 0. Now what we have to do? Collecting all the like terms together. Collecting all the like terms together. So 13y minus 3y minus 5y. Now minus 52 plus 27 minus 20 is equals to 0. I have collected all the like terms together. Now 13y minus 3y is 10y. 10y minus 5y, now minus 52 plus 27. Either solve it from this side or solve it from this side. Okay, so minus 52 plus 27 plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So minus 25 minus 20 is equals to 0. Again 10 minus 5 is 5. So it will be 5y minus minus plus. Sign of it will be plus, but the negative sign will be applied. So minus 25 minus 20 will be minus 45 is equals to 0. Now 5y is equals to 45, and we have to divide both the sides of equation by 5. Now 5 ones are 5 nines are. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 9. Now we have to verify also. So how will we verify, students? For the verification process, we have to place the value of y as 9 in the whole equation. Okay. So, in place of y, I have to write 9 minus 4, 9 minus 9, 9 plus 4 is equals to 0. In place of y, I have written 9. So, 9 minus 4 is 5. 13 multiplied by 5, 13 5s are 65. 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 zeros are 0. 9 plus 4 is 13 and 13 5s are 65. So 0 is equals to 0. LHS is equals to RHS. Then we can say that hence verified. Okay, students. I hope you must have understood this question also. So that's all for today. If there is any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section. I will definitely answer to your queries. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.